Dave, do you have any tips for those in the software world who are maybe just getting started with using these tools or using AI in general more in their day to day?
Yeah. Um, yeah, I think for me, it's been a journey of trial and error discovery. So the thing I would say to people that are, thinking about how to use AI in their day to day or trying to be more familiar with it is just give it a shot and use it as much as you can and try things that you think it won't be able to do, because often it'll surprise you. I found that most of the stuff that I was impressed by was when I put it in prompts that I was like, there's no way this is going to work, right? You'd think it couldn't figure it out, and then even if it gets 60% of the way there, it's still more impressive than what you were expecting. So I think it's one of those things where you kind of have to test the bounds of it before you understand really what its limitations are. Everyone loves to make this into some sort of magical mystery thing, and I think for a lot of people that kind of puts them off, and it seems too complicated to get into. My advice would just be give it a shot. Get in there, start giving it prompts, see what it can do. If it breaks, great, because now you know where you can't go. And try and work in as many tools as you can. There's more than just ChatGPT out there. I think Google Gemini is a really great tool, but anyone who's using it just for text stuff hasn't really unlocked the full capabilities of it. So try image generation, prototyping, video generation. All these things are possible. So getting outside of the box as much as you can is what I would recommend to kind of fully understand the capabilities of the tool.
Very cool, Dave. Thank you so much. It's a really exciting time to be experimenting with all these things that you mentioned in this space. So love to hear your thoughts on everything that we've discussed today. So thank you for joining us, and thank you everybody for listening in to this episode of Digital Things. Thank you so much.